Hello, have you ever found that your Python command is not recognized as internal or external command, operable program or batch file, or pipe is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file? The solution is so simple. First, you need to go to your Python installation. You need to find the address of your Python installation. Use right-click on the idle, open file location, right-click on the idle and open file location, and left-click in here and copy that, and then right-click on the flag button, and then left-click on the system, and then left-click on the advanced system setting, and then click yes, and then click environment variables, and then double-click on the path, and then put semicolon if not exist, and then paste that, and then close semicolon, and then OK, then OK, and then OK, and then go to new command prompt, and then type Python. Now you are fix the problem number 1. Python is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. Now the second problem is we need to give the scripts, click the scripts folders, and then right click in here, and then right click and then left click copy, and then go back to your system, and then go back to advanced system setting, and click yes, and then click environment variables, and then click path, and then right click in left click in here and right click and paste and close, type semicolon, and then click right click on click OK, and then click OK, and then click OK, and open new command prompt, and then type pipe. Now you are succeed, solve those two problems. Thank you. I hope this is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel.